Are you looking for a simple and reliable way to convert your Thunderbird emails into PST format for Outlook? Welcome to WholeClear Thunderbird to PST Converter. You can easily back up and migrate your Thunderbird mailboxes into PST files compatible with Outlook 2021, 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, and earlier versions. Key features of Thunderbird to PST Converter. Bulk migration from Thunderbird to Outlook without hassle. Export of emails along with all attachments. Automatic detection of Thunderbird mailbox data. Complete preservation of original folder structure. Here's how you can do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Install and launch the Thunderbird to PST Converter. Step 2. Select your Thunderbird directory and click on Next. Step 3. Choose to load data from the default location or manually browse your files. Step 4. Select PST as your desired export format under the export options. Step 5. Choose a destination location to save the PST file. Step 6. Click on Convert Now to start the process. Within minutes, your Thunderbird emails will be successfully converted into PST format, ready to be imported into Microsoft Outlook using the Import/Export feature. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.